Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a super useful tutorial for you. We're going to show you how to change your IP address on Windows 10, whether you need to fix network issues or secure your internet connection. Changing your IP address can be incredibly helpful. And guess what? It's easier than you think. So let's dive right in. Now right click on your Windows bar and open settings. Then tap on network and internet. Then tap on Wi-Fi. Now tap in the properties of your Wi-Fi network. Scroll down until you find IP assignment. Then tap on Edit. Tap the drop-down menu and click on Manual. Then toggle on the IPv4. Now here enter your IP address, subnet mask, getaway, prefer DNS and hit on save. And that's how you can change your IP address on Windows 10. Remember, changing your IP address can sometimes disrupt your network connection. So, only do it if necessary. And always ensure you're entering the correct information to avoid any issues.